Hi everyone, this is Andrea. I'm just doing a little go through of a box I just received from The Good and the Beautiful. I homeschool my son. We always have. He is in the third grade, and he turned 8 in August. I ordered Math 3 a couple weeks ago, and when I ordered it, I forgot to get the answer key to it. Which has worked out. We just completed Math 2 actually 2 days ago. So we'll start Math 3 this week coming up. We homeschool all year round, so we're not like really in a rush to like get through curriculum in a certain timeline. But the answer key for Math 2 helped out, even though like it's easy math for me. Sometimes I had him check his own answers, or like if I'm, trying to get other stuff ready for him, just to be able to look at the answers real quick. So I forgot to order this, so I went and ordered that. And then while I was on there, I realized that he would need like graphing paper, which I could have easily just bought from the store. But I figured we're on there, might as well get it. And then I think when I ordered this, it was free shipping at the time, maybe. And then also while we're in there, I saw this nature notebook, and it goes through all 4 seasons, and kind of like for every season, it's like the same format. So like fall, field notes, describe it. What do you like about fall? Just writing down his thoughts, drawing pictures, using your senses. What do you see? Describe it. So a good way to get him to write, use his imagination. He does like to draw. So they have fall bingo. I don't know, just something different. And then, it goes into winter, so we can go through the 4 seasons. We do live in California, but so we don't really get like snow and stuff like that. But we don't even really get rain where we live either. We live in the Bay Area. But we do travel, and sometimes we go to the East Coast, to the New England area for Christmas and the holidays. So we could always take this with us and see what's there. Also, while we're looking, he does like to draw, like I said. So this is, just 100 different easy birds. I figure sometimes when I'm doing read alouds for him, we use Bookshark too, so they have read alouds. But also sometimes, I just read anything to him aloud as part of school. And usually I have him do handwriting while I'm doing a read aloud, and sometimes he'll finish handwriting really fast, or if he just doesn't feel like doing it that day or whatever, then he can do something easy like this. So he's still listening, and then it's easy for him to do this, and kind of just like something for him to do, to doodle. So just a couple things I got from The Good and the Beautiful. We do use them for math, language arts. We always have. I think they had preschool curriculum that we started with. I also use Bookshark, so we've worked through some Bookshark science, history, reading, but we have done a couple units of The Good and Beautiful Science, which we'll get back to once we're done with Bookshark Science. Just a great company overall. We are not a religious family, so when it comes to like, if they start having him. He also does handwriting from them, so sometimes he'll have to handwrite like Proverbs or stuff from the Bible, and I'll have him do it, and then if he has questions, we'll talk about it. I'm not really knowledgeable in that area, but it is a good conversation starter. So that doesn't bother us. I know sometimes it's hard to find homeschool curriculum that doesn't have like a religious aspect to it, but we kind of just discuss it and move on. It's not a big deal. So just some more things that we got from The Good and the Beautiful. If you have any comments or questions, let me know. Thank you.